Tim with C8 Corvette Life. I'm here today to bring you a very important video and to ask a little bit of you. I don't think it's too much. As many of you know, the C8 Corvette assembly plant is located in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Well, Saturday night, 2 days ago, this area was struck by a very deadly and powerful tornado. The community of Bowling Green itself was devastated. There's more than 11 deaths, an equal amount of hospitalizations, and also an equal amount of missing persons reported. Now, here's a little clip of some of the devastation that exists in the area. As you can see, many homes and businesses have been destroyed, ripped open, lives lost, and many lives destroyed and critically affected. Now, we've all benefited and appreciated the community of Bowling Green because we all have Corvettes, have had Corvettes, or even have Corvettes on order at this time. I've created a GoFundMe page to help raise funds to assist the community of Bowling Green in recovering from this disaster. Now, it takes a community to make a difference. And I believe that if we all come together and each donate a small sum to this cause, that we can make a positive impact on this area in the name of the Corvette community. Not as one of us, not as one organization, not as one business or another, but all of us together, joining to make an impact. So please join me in this process. I'll put a link right up here to the GoFundMe page where you can make a minimal to large donation. Even as little as $5 from thousands of people is going to make a difference. And to any of you industries, organizations, or companies that benefit greatly from the existence of the Corvette, please give as much as you can. Thank you very much, and I look forward to your participation. This is Tim. See ya.